give it a try. What are we waiting for? Vamos!
Plus, there are brand new games added all the time.
Now we have a place where we can all play together.
You can play too, anytime, anywhere, on the free PBS Kids Games app.
Weekdays on PBS Kids. Check out
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
All here. Collection. A good morning to you too. Whoa. Rope, you're so tangly. This might come in handy. I better hold on to it. Hello, stickers. Hello, rubber balls. Hello, polished straw. Hello, stamps issued before 1973. Hello, whistles. Good morning.
Carl the Collector, an all-new show, coming Thursday, November 4th. PBS Kids.
PBS Kids Animal Alphabet. K is for koala. Koalas are from Australia, and they sleep up to 18 hours a day. The koala on PBS Kids Animal Alphabet.
Hi, neighbor. Today we're playing superheroes with Katarina Kitty Cat. Then we're building the whole neighborhood out of stuff from the Making Things box. I'll be right back.
Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood is made possible in part by these Pittsburgh Foundations and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you?